Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Pat Mcafee knows who Espn should hire to replace Adrian Wojnarowski. The NBA and sports media worlds were shocked on Wednesday when Adrian Wojnarowski announced his sudden and immediate retirement. The longtime insider had been a trusted source on breaking news in the NBA for years, revealing some of the most monumental trades and free agency decisions in league history. Wojnarowski was known for being the first to break stories, sending social media into a frenzy whenever he would post major news. With one of the most notable names in sports media calling it a career, another top personality at ESPN says he already knows who the network should tab as a replacement. "The universe just pieced this thing together seemingly, Shams Charania," said Pat Mcafee, reacting to Wojnarowski's retirement during Wednesday's episode of his show. "Shams Charania's the answer. I know there's conversations happening. People are going to say that this is obviously who we are going to say. But if you take our bias out of this conversation, there's only one answer, it's Shams Charania." Mcafee then added that he would give some personal bias, noting that Charania has been a great guest on his show. Charania, once an apprentice or heir apparent to Wojnarowski at Yahoo, became a rival when the veteran journalist moved to ESPN. The two have been at the forefront of NBA reporting, often breaking the same story within minutes of one another on social media. With Wojnarowski now out of the game, the stage appears to be set for Charania to become the new undisputed king of NBA insiders. Wojnarowski is retiring from his job at ESPN, but he'll still be busy. He's set to become the general manager of St. Bonaventure's basketball team, his alma mater. The New York Post's Ryan Glasspiegel reported last month that Charania is set to enter free agency, putting him in prime position to replace Wojnarowski at ESPN or command an even more lucrative deal from another outlet. We'll see what happens, but it's clear that Mcafee knows who he wants to see take over for the greatest NBA insider of all time.